Dang. Clean. That's a little sneak peek for the next video. What's good? It's your boy Conrad. How you guys doing today? Today we have an unboxing video, kind of like a review. I wouldn't say review because how would I review it if I've never even used one of these? But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you exactly what we freaking ordered. Me and my buddy Tyler went halvesies on this, so it's about to make everything a lot easier to clean. So let's get right into this video. Alright, as you guys can see, we got this big old box. Let's go ahead and just open her up already. We got some hardware. Don't necessarily know what this is for. We'll figure it out. Alright, so this came in so many pieces, but I'm guessing this is the bottom right there where all the sand kind of sifts through. And we got some gloves. We got like the thing where it cleans it out. Some of these. I think everything came in here, like even an LED light and stuff, like all this stuff. But it doesn't come with sealant. Which we're probably gonna have to try to buy tomorrow, some sealant. But I mean, let's go see what's in this box. I mean, we probably just need to find some sealant. I might have some like silicone we can seal this with, but let's see what's in this box. I kind of know what's in this box. Let's get right under. That sounds weird. Okay, so not bad. So this all came with. Oh, okay. It did come with some sealant, some black sealant to seal up around. That's pretty cool. Came with this, which is a little switch for the LED light. Came with some hoses, the filter, all the hardware, the ceramic, little nozzles. Came with some stuff. Oh, these are like door closers and stuff. A bunch of hardware. This is the pickup tube, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. What's in this thing right here? Okay, this is power supply for the battery, or for the light. I mean, it's pretty much a complete kit. Like, for 90 euros, which is about 110 bucks. Like, are you kidding me, dog? Like, we get all this stuff? Like, look at the quality of this gun. Not too freaking bad. So far so good. I mean, I'm really glad it came with sealant, honestly. We'll be able to seal all the panels together. Alrighty, so I read through everything. It seems like a pretty simple process. I think the only concerning part is the sealant, but I think the sealant they provided is good enough. I think it's enough gray sealant, RTV kind of stuff. If we need to get more, we probably will get more, but let me put this on a time lapse and let's get her done. Dang, it looks freaking good. So the gun kind of concerns me a little bit just because I don't know, these are super stiff, like the lines are super stiff, so I don't really know if it's gonna work out a little better, but I mean, the light, super bright. It's freaking huge. Like, for reference, let's put a whole ass, like, a whole ass, you know what I'm saying? That whole intake manifold fits in here, which is pretty badass. I won't be sandblasting the intake manifold, but I mean, it's pretty badass. I went around the cracks and sealed them all with some RTV that came with it. Right here. Hello? Focus? Alright, anyways, yeah, so that they also came with this tube that you put on the bottom and kind of just like suck through that tube. It's not too bad of a concept, but I mean, that's not too bad. I like it. It's pretty big, honestly, for $100. Like, I've seen videos of these being made, and it's honestly not too bad. It looks freaking good. You definitely do need a bigger compressor. I just have one of these pancake ones, because I just haven't gotten a new one. This one works for what I need it to do, but obviously this is definitely going to need more of space and stuff, or more CFMs, I believe. I probably just need like a 20 or 30 gallon, 20 or 50 gallon. I think a 20 gallon will do, 25 gallon. But you know, right here is where you connect your hose. It shouldn't be too bad. Like, there. Just there, and she's connected, and then you can do that. We also got a 25-pound bag of, I believe this is the crushed, I believe this is the glass bead. We ordered a bunch of glass bead just because we do a lot of aluminum parts, and we don't want them to get all like really bad, like fucked up. So we have these. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, don't worry, you know, detailed video on that coming up soon. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video on this. It looks freaking gangster. It was $100 on Amazon DE, so there's a couple versions of this on a different Amazon, like the American Amazons. They're all pretty much the same concept. I'm pretty sure they use the same, like, I'm pretty sure that all the other ones that they sell are pretty much the same concept. They're just probably as big. This is a 90-liter one, so I mean, for the stuff we do, we don't, most of the time we're probably not going to be doing rims and stuff, but for all of the car parts that we need, it's gonna fit. Like, see an example. For example, we're gonna see if like this control arm, I believe this is for a Golf, but see, like, it fits all nice and snug down there. Like, it's a pretty big part, honestly. Like, so this thing will fit like quite a bit of stuff, which I'm pretty excited to be freaking doing with this stuff. Like, powder coating really needs sandblasting, just because with sandblasting, it takes off everything, all the paint, all that stuff. So it definitely helps out with a lot of the stuff that you will need to do when powder coating. So this is definitely going to be a really good addition to the shop. I still don't know if I'm going to keep this here with me or with Tyler, because Tyler has just a bigger compressor, so it might actually work out better being with him. We also bought this, both of us together, just because we didn't really know, you know, we didn't want to invest in a better one. So I mean, this is really good. I am freaking happy. It was a freaking bitch to make, because it has like these nuts, and then it has bolts behind, or has these bolts, and then it has nuts behind them like that over there. So It's just super annoying to have to do it, but I mean, it's freaking good. It comes with the light, the filter, the gun, the gloves, the RTV, everything you need comes. It even comes with this plastic stuff. So there's plastic behind here, and that's because when the sand hits, if you were to let it do the plastic stuff, the whole plastic you wouldn't be able to see. But it comes with extra ones of these. So they're right here. They're super nice. Yeah. So I just wanted to update you guys on some of the stuff that's happening. So I'm cleaning the intake manifold. Obviously we have that Sandblaster now. Like I said on my last video, getting shipped parts here is just really bad. It's taken I think a week or two to even get updates on my package for my turbo kit, so that's freaking annoying. My drift motion stuff just got shipped, so we're waiting on that stuff. The turbo kit and all that stuff we're waiting for, so we're waiting. The powder coating stuff we're also waiting for. We haven't even gotten a reply because prismatic powders for some reason has to wait for a distributor to answer for the powder, and then I have to pay for it. I don't exactly know how that works, but it's really frustrating. I might see if I can order some stuff to my parents' house and then have them ship it over. That actually might be faster than to have this whole freaking stuff, because I just want to get to powder coating already. We are going to be taking the turbo kit out soon here, maybe this weekend or the next weekend. I want to finish this intake manifold cleanup. I've been taking a lot of time with this intake manifold cleanup. I think it's going to come out really good, the video, so stay tuned for that stuff. I'm not going to sandblast the intake manifold because I'm kind of scared of getting sand or glass in there and going through the engine, so I'm just gonna do it by hand, do the old-fashioned way. I'm sure it'll still come out really good. We're gonna outgas it and all. But anyways, I am excited to be taking the turbo kit off here soon. In the next couple of videos, we're gonna be able to take off the turbo kit. I'm just waiting just to have the turbo kit here. So I went to like Chicago, then Illinois, and Mississippi. I don't know what's going on with that. It might be just a logistics thing with all of the shipping and stuff, but whatever. Anyways, I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to throw together that Sandblaster just so we can get her ready to go, to sandblast a bunch of parts just so we can get that engine bay clean. I know Tyler wants to sandblast a bunch of stuff. Tony, I'm sure he needs to sandblast a bunch of stuff on his rusty bucket. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any suggestions on anything I should be doing or anything I do wrong in my videos, just let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.